It's top story. 4 people in custody in Anderson County, including a teenager, after a 2-year-old girl was found dead inside a home last night. The sheriff says a 3-year-old and 3-month-old were also found in that same home. They both had serious signs of neglect. 3 of the suspects arrested in this case faced a judge this afternoon for bond hearings. Fox Carolina's Jarvis Robertson was there. He joins us live from the Anderson County Detention Center with more details tonight.
Well, Tori, gruesome is one of many words you can use to describe this case. 3 of those 4 suspects showed up in bond court today. They were given the option of a surety bond, but one thing I can assure you tonight, deputies with the Anderson County Sheriff's Office will never forget showing up to that home on Centerville Road.
It was a very hard scene.
Too hard to forget for deputies with the Anderson County Sheriff's Office, a case of child death and neglect.
They found a 2-year-old little girl that had been deceased probably for some time, and some time meaning, at least a day or 2.
And he says a 3-year-old boy was found in the home with bruising and a severe diaper rash. Also, a 3-month-old baby girl was there. McBride says it was obvious this child had been neglected too. 3 of the 4 suspects, Thomas Roberts, Dylan McAllister, and 17-year-old Brianna Perry, all appeared before a judge late Friday afternoon. Roberts spoke in court, sticking to his defense, saying he could never harm a child.
When I got home on Wednesday night, it was 8:30, if not a little bit later, and I didn't see any kids running around, so I just assumed they were all in bed. And then the parents got home a few hours later, and we left.
However, a different response from Perry.
Now, this hearing is being recorded. It can be used later against you in court, but do you have any statement you want to make before I discuss your bond?
No, sir.
As for the children's father, he says he didn't know anything was wrong. He says there's an arrangement with him and their mother.
I'm an over-the-road truck driver. I bring home money. She takes care of the children. And I had no clue prior to this just how bad things were there.
The children's mother, Chassia Gilbody, was not in court Friday. Sheriff McBride says kids don't deserve this type of treatment, and that if there's any problem with caring for them, the parents should reach out for help.
Children are innocent, and it's if you're going to have children, it's your responsibility to take care of them.
Now, those 3 suspects, the earliest they can bond out is 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Their next scheduled court appearance is March 20th at 9 a.m. As for the 17-year-old, she's being charged as an adult. Reporting live in Anderson County tonight, I'm Jarvis Robertson, Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock news.